Welcome. In this video we are going to learn TCP stream showing a bind shell in Metasploit. This module takes advantage of the default configuration of the RMI registry and RMI activation services, which allow loading classes from any remote URL, as it invokes a method in the RMI distributed garbage collector which is available via every RMI endpoint. It can be used against both RMI registry and RMID and against most other RMI endpoints as well. Note that it does not work against Java Management Extension, that is JMX ports, since those do not support remote class loading unless another RMI endpoint is active in the same Java process. RMI method calls do not support or require any sort of authentication. Let's open up MSF console, load the Java RMI server module into the MSF console, type use exploit /multi misc Java RMI server, type info. Here you can see that module basic information. Now set the rhost as my victim PC address, that is 192.168.0.12. Type show option to display the available options. Load the module within the Metasploit console and run the command show option or show advanced. Finally exploit. Here you can see that my victim PC Metasploitable session has been opened here. That's it in this video on TCP stream showing in bind shell. Thank you for watching this video.